Hey guys, it's Matt from Bullion Now, coming to you live from the greatest city in the world, Melbourne in Australia. We thought we'd get outside and see a bit of sunshine today for this unboxing. We've got an old favourite. This has actually been one of the most popular coins that we've ever stocked. You've seen it before, but not in this particular size. The 10-ounce Queen's Beast Completer. Now, this doesn't have quite the same face value as the Kilo, which everyone was excited about having. I think it was a 500-pound face value. This here is a 10-pound face value, but it is a 10-ounce silver coin. It should be incredibly popular. I don't think we have too many in stock, but if you can get your hands on it, you've done very well. You do get the full detail on all 10 beasts. These were done by Jody Clark, who was the same engraver that did the portrait of the Queen. Bit of a fun fact for you. Alright guys, that's it for now. I'm Matt for Bullion Now. Like, share, subscribe. There'll be a link in the description for this one. Although if you watch to the end, it's probably already gone. I apologise for that, but there'll be many more interesting things to come. Thanks for watching.